Welcome to our video on how to transfer your domain from Namecheap to Wix. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the entire process. Before we get started, make sure you have your Namecheap account information handy, along with your Wix account details. First, let's unlock your Namecheap domain. Log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the domain list. Next, we need to obtain your EPP code. This code acts as an authorization code for transferring your domain. Now, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Domain Transfer section in your dashboard. To initiate the transfer, select the option to transfer a domain and enter your domain name. Now, enter your EPP code in the designated field and proceed to the next step. You'll receive a confirmation prompt. Review it and confirm the transfer to proceed. Typically, the transfer will take about 5 to 7 days to complete, so be patient. After the transfer, be sure to update your DNS settings and verify your email settings on Wix.